Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you the new Fleece drain tube for the 6.7 Cummins in the Dodge trucks. Fleece Performance has come out with a drain tube for the 6.7 Cummins in the Dodge trucks that is going to make your installation of the turbo a ton easier. Now, one of the best selling products we have at Thoroughbred Diesel is the Fleece Cheetah for the 6.7 Dodges. And one of the worst parts about putting a great turbo on a great truck is the friggin' turbo drain tube. The OE turbo drain tube on the 6.7 Cummins is absolutely awful to get unbolted from the turbo, and it's awful to get bolted to the turbo once you put your new turbo in, and it will honestly, it's something that'll make you do a lot of cursing, and Fleece knew that and found a better mousetrap and developed a better mousetrap in their oil drain tube. So this oil drain tube from Fleece, this is a silicone tube drain tube, which is flexible. You can move it, position it where you need to position it. It's going to hold its shape and continue to let oil flow through it. You know, when you go to put the turbo in, it's just going to make the installation of the oil drain tube so much easier. Now, some of the Fleece features of this that Fleece is really well known for in their parts, you've got the anodized aluminum fittings on both the turbo mounted portion and the portion that goes into the engine. These have new O-rings on them. You have a new square O-ring that mates to the turbo. For the oil drain tube, again, they use silicone for the durability. They've increased the size of this drain tube, so this is a little bit bigger than OE, so it's gonna make sure that we keep the oil flowing back into the block and we don't have any restrictions at the turbo. And yeah, if you spend money on a aftermarket turbo, a VGT, it has to be a VGT charger, but new turbo, OE, Fleece, aftermarket, whatever, we definitely suggest that you buy this upgraded oil drain tube. This is going to save you a lot of headache and a lot of time in your installation with just this very affordable part. Inside the package, you get obviously the drain tube, which is already pre-assembled, clamped, ready to go. It's all pre-formed. In fact, the forms inside of this hose are all patent pending for the Fleece product. It's going to come with new hardware to attach to the turbo, and you get a cool little swag pack that Fleece sends you with product with koozie and sticker and a card to show you where you can go and check out an installation video and whatnot. We will be featuring this on a Fleece Cheetah install that we've got coming up in the very near future. So we will link you inside this video where you can purchase the Fleece drain tube. Again, for the 6.7 Cummins in the Dodge pickup trucks, this is a must have. I don't know what any of this means, but apparently you can buy t-shirts on YouTube now. So we're going to link you directly on here on the YouTube in the video somewhere where you can go and you can purchase Thoroughbred Diesel swag. It'll be great. You don't have to leave your video or the YouTube realm or whatever in the hell goes on here. Go here, buy yourself some Thoroughbred Diesel swag.